conducting a civil trial without legal representation. Affidavits of Evidence-In-Chief, AEIC. Let's find out how to prepare your witness affidavit of evidence-in-chief, or AEIC in short. What are AEICs for? The court decides based on the evidence parties submit. Evidence for civil proceedings is typically introduced through AEICs. AEICs set out facts to support your claim or defense. They should also address facts the other party relies on. The evidence may be in the form of documents, such as emails, text messages, contracts, invoices, or photographs. The evidence may also be in the form of what a witness recalls. AEICs have a text portion, which sets out the oral evidence and relevant references to the documentary evidence. AEICs also have an exhibit portion, where copies of the documentary evidence referred to are attached. AEICs should be concise and set out relevant facts. It should be structured in an organized and logical way. When preparing the AEICs, you should try to avoid facts that are irrelevant to the claims. You should also avoid making legal arguments in the AEICs. Who should I get AEICs from? Each witness will need his or her own AEIC prepared. Your witnesses should have been personally involved in the events. He or she can also have knowledge of the facts of the case, based on documents or other records in their possession. Text messages, conversations with the other parties, or emails. You should ask such persons if they are prepared to be called as witnesses, and have AEICs written to set out their evidence. The AEIC should set out the witness independent testimony. What if a witness does not want to sign an AEIC? A possible option is for you to apply for an order to attend court to give oral evidence. You will also need the court's permission for this witness to give evidence orally in court instead of in an AEIC. If you are trying to get a witness to attend court to produce documents, you may apply for an order to produce documents. What to do with the AEICs? After the witnesses confirm the contents of the AEICs, they need to sign these before a commissioner for oaths, if they are in Singapore, or a notary public, if they are located overseas. You should file and exchange the AEICs you have prepared according to the timelines given by the court. Your witnesses should read their AEICs and be familiar with the contents before the trial. You will receive AEICs from the other party as well. Read these to see how they affect your case. You will have an opportunity to challenge the contents of the other party's AEICs during the trial. Thank you for watching. We hope you find the information useful. Please refer to the Rules of Court, Practice Directions and other guides on the SG Court's website for more information.